reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Okay, we're at Hoover Dam. We came down and we parked in the multi-storey car park. Now we're on top of the dam. These are intake towers. This is the Nevada side, and the other one where the clock was the Arizona intake tower. They were fighting over who gets what in the way of water, so I guess they decided to have one each. In honor of Herbert Clark Hoover, the 31st President of the United States.
We've arrived at Red Rock Canyon, which is just outside of Las Vegas. Very windy, and it's about 38 degrees at the moment. This is from the highest point in Red Rock Canyon. Twisty and windy coming down from the rim. Nice big view from the top of the hill. This is the mountains going down to the plains. We're going towards Salt Lake City at the moment. We're about an hour or two away. We're just going to stop before we get there. We've heard on the radio there's huge storms going to be happening tonight. They've announced on the radio, they're going to be outdoors, go indoors and don't stay near a window.